Hello everybody and welcome back to Address Advisors. We are here at Hyderabad and I'm going to take you inside a warehousing space today. But before we get to that, have you ever wondered why companies such as Amazon, Swiggy and Zomato choose a certain location instead of others? Well, it all comes down to one thing: how quickly can the goods move? And that's exactly where this location starts to make sense. Welcome to this 45 acres of logistics and industrial park with over 9 lakh square feet of warehousing space. You're just minutes away from the Hyderabad Metro. You have easy access to the ORR and the major highway. But the size is not the advantage here, but it's about what surrounds it. Foxconn is just 2 kilometers away. Fab City is about 5 kilometers away. Hyderabad International Airport can be reached in roughly 15 minutes, and with direct access to the ORR and national highways, businesses can connect to key markets, industrial hubs and distribution networks with ease. Now this particular warehouse is measuring nearly 2 lakh square feet, and one of the first thing you will notice is the scale. The floor plate is approximately 450 by 430 feet, giving businesses the flexibility to handle larger volumes of inventory and operations all under one roof. Now to make movement efficient, the warehouse is equipped with 30 loading docks. Now this means you can have multiple trucks at the same time loading and unloading, and for businesses this is a smoother day-to-day operation. The warehouse is also offering a center height of 14.5 meters and a side height of 12 meters. So this creates a room for racking system and a higher storage capacity. This location has already attracted major occupiers. The other boxes have already been leased out by companies like Amazon, Zomato and Swiggy. See, here's what you should be remembering about this facility, because it's not just giving you one strength. It's giving you scale, it's giving you connectivity, and you're surrounded by industrial ecosystem. And when all of this three comes together, a warehouse space becomes more than just a storage space. It becomes a critical part of your supply chain. If you're looking for a warehouse space in Hyderabad, Chennai or Bengaluru, then reach out to Address Advisors or drop a comment down below so we can get in touch with you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.